Hello friends, welcome to Food Lovers channel, and today I'm going to show you a secret gel recipe which you can use for the hair growth, hair fall control and hair nourishment. So for this you need organic flax seeds. Take half cup of flax seeds and 2 cups of water for this preparation. Before that, if you like my videos, please do hit that subscribe button and tap on that bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I upload a new video. And please do support me by subscribing to my channel. So now coming to the preparation, you need to take a bowl and add 2 cups of water to it. That is, I added around some 500 ml of water to prepare my gel. So now when the water starts boiling, you can add half cup of flax seeds to it and make sure the flax seeds will get mixed into the water very well. Once it is mixed properly, and after some time you will be able to see a white layer is forming on top of the mixture, and this indicates that the gel is getting formed, and you can able to see the consistency of the gel. Once you see the consistency of the gel, it means your gel is almost prepared. So now you need to turn off the flame and you can strain the gel using a strainer into a glass jar. You can also use a cloth to squeeze out all the gel from the mixture which you prepared just right now. Flaxseed is beneficial because of its super moisturizing power. It's the omega-3 essential fatty acids in the flax seeds that provide nourishment for your hair. The flaxseed consists of vitamin E, copper, magnesium, folate, vitamin B6, zinc, potassium, fiber and proteins with estrogen-like hormones. So you can take a spoon of this gel and add some coconut oil or aloe vera gel, or also you can also add castor oil to this gel and apply to the scalp like this and massage it properly. And after 2 to 3 weeks you will be able to see a visible growth in your hair, and your hair gets strengthened and your scalp is very much free of dandruff and everything. This is because of the good natural properties of the flax seeds, where it contains omega-3 fatty acids. So this gel can be stored in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks. You can also use this gel as a leave-in conditioner. Once you take a bath or take a shower, just apply this gel and you can leave it as a conditioner. This helps in great nourishment of your hair. That's it guys, thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please do hit that food lovers icon and help me reach 1 lakh subscribers. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, have a great day, stay fit and stay healthy. Bye bye, I'll catch you up in my next video.